All right, so we're at the gym. I just filmed, and I just realized all the music is going to probably be cut out. So yeah, we're hitting chest back day today. Video is going to be quite short because I don't. It's almost 10 already. I try to get here around 10. Um, we're gonna get a good lift in today. It's chest and back, obviously, one of my favorite days, if not my favorite day. I love hitting back. Like back is by far my favorite thing to hit. Even though, like, I don't know. I mean, I like flexing arms, but like, dude, I don't know. There's just something about hitting back that's just like awesome. Like, dude, it's such a big muscle that you got to work out so hard to gain muscle there and make it lean and big and strong. And it just, oh God, you know. Also, shout out to all you edgers. Um, so yeah, we're gonna go get this lift in. It's gonna be absolutely insane. I'm like blanking right now. Like I'm just like so hyped for this lift right now, and it's gonna be absolutely stellar. Oh man, but honestly, like some of the classes I'm taking right now, doing some stuff online. It's going great, honestly. I wish I could have some better Wi-Fi because I'd love to be able to stream like video games or like just stream in general. Like I think it's always fun. I don't really care if I get viewers or not. It's just like a fun little thing. You got the camera set up, you're filming. I don't know. It's just fun. Even if I'm like zero people are watching or a million people are watching, I'd still like talk the same way. So I think it's just fun. I think it is. Uh, I like to think I'm pretty good at it, but God knows. Um, but yeah, so we're gonna. I don't know. I mean, today's been a little weird day. Got a pretty busy day tomorrow. We get the car back tomorrow. Hallelujah, right? You heard all this air. I'm turning into a smoke pit right now. Yeah, so we got a pretty busy day tomorrow, and then we got a lift. Definitely gonna be tired because I gotta wake up early tomorrow. Um, but yeah, last night had some issues with the computer and the Wi-Fi or wanting to upload. So we're gonna see how today are. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna post tomorrow. It's always hard to figure out what to post, but I don't know. I'm pretty excited on what is to come. Uh, but yeah, I don't know. I'm like zoning out right now. It's like crazy. ADHD is slapping me in the face right now. But we're gonna. I might show you guys what I eat. I don't know. I eat a lot of chicken compared to beef because beef is very like greasy. It's not as much fatty. It's just greasy, and grease isn't good for you. When you take out, and you buy, and buying 95.5 or 93.7 is expensive. It's like $6 a pound. So even 90.10 is pretty expensive. So I don't really eat that much beef. I try to just stick to chicken. It's like 2.48 a pound or whatnot. So I typically just eat almost a pound of chicken a day, which is 100 grams of protein. But oh, that dude plays. I wonder why he's back home. Dude definitely gets. He plays baseball for a. I don't know if it was Chapel Hill or something, but he's got a ZZ1 2024 Chevrolet truck, and he's in college. So NIL is a great way to get paid. But yeah, we're gonna hop into this workout. It's gonna be very, very intense today. I'm just feeling like a stupid intense workout today. Yeah, let's get into this before I like lose focus. I'm like zoned in on just lifting. Like the feeling of lifting right now is like just itching down, up and down my bones. Like it is just like pause. What did we just say? All right, I'll see you guys then. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. Whew. There we go. I don't know how many reps that was, but yeah. All right, let's hop into another set. I feel like this is good weight. Just need to focus on getting a lot of reps. Shoulders are destroying me. Oh, there we go. Oh, that feels real good. Oh my gosh, my chest is destroyed already. Dude, the feeling of that, the squeak, oh my gosh, I haven't felt that in a long time. All right. All right, let's do one more set. What? Looking pretty good on the chest right now. Oh, that feels good. All right, let's hop into this. You know, 2 sets in here. Crank these bad boys out. All right, there we go. All right, let's do one more set of these and see what's up next. There we go. There we go. Hi. There we go. No, we're Pretty good set, honestly. Alright, let's hop in this one. Let's bump up the weight like one. I think that should be good. Oh, it feels good. Probably gonna do one more set of those. Alright, bring in one more set of those. Kind of lower weight, but I feel kind of squeeze back there. Oh. Alright, we're done. That movement. Alright, we're gonna hop into two sets of close grip, and then we'll be pretty much done. That's really all I want to do. Kind of hit everything, so yeah. I'm burnt, man. Alright, we're gonna do one more set. We'll be done. No, we'll check the pump after this. Yeah. Alright. Let's go check this pump. Let's go check this pump. Alright, let's check this pump. Can't take that shirt off. Oh, yeah. Looking stevious today. This is really where my hips are at, honestly. It's kind of funny. Alright. With the chest and take a breath. Alright. Alright. Let's check this back. Oh my god. My upper back feels so strong. I don't know what this looks like. We're getting there for sure. I'm gonna turn on the shorts for the TikTok. All right. I don't know what you can see. All right, let's do that spread. Let's see what this looks like. We're gonna see what that looks like when I get home. Lower down to my chest, complete. Back, complete. I'm actually back out like I didn't feel the best, but definitely felt like the most rewarding after the pump. Honestly, that's probably the best my back. I think I saw a little glimpse, but the best my back's looked so far. So I don't know, maybe some of the new movements we were doing. Oh wow, okay. All right, well I'll see you guys tomorrow.